Okay, how to make use of screen recorder in making videos through your phone. So first you have to download in the Play Store about screen recorder. You can choose any of the screen recorders here, but in my case I'm using this one, screen recorder and video recorder. After that you download. So you can download. Then after downloading, you install. Then of course you're good to go already in making your videos. So you can now open your X recorder, this one. So you can now make your own videos using your screen recorder. You can make or you can present using PowerPoint presentation, or maybe an application like GeoGebra. So you can make videos in a landscape form. It's wider compared to the portrait form. So again, you're now good to go in making your video using a screen recorder. So the screen recorder basically records everything that you open in your phone. So you are recording everything that you open in your phone.